So, what exactly is corporate finance? Let's start with the basics. Corporate finance is all about how businesses manage their money. It covers how companies raise capital, invest in projects, and maximize value for their shareholders. In simple terms, corporate finance is the department that makes sure the company uses its money wisely to grow and succeed. One of the primary functions of corporate finance is raising capital. This can be done through borrowing from banks or issuing stocks to investors. Once that capital is raised, it needs to be invested smartly to generate more revenue. That could mean investing in new products, expanding operations, or acquiring other companies. Another key aspect is financial planning and analysis. This involves forecasting future profits, managing risks, and deciding where the company's money should go to ensure long-term success. And finally, corporate finance also focuses on how profits are distributed, either reinvested into the business or returned to shareholders as dividends. So, corporate finance isn't just about managing money, it's about making the right financial decisions to ensure a company grows, profits, and thrives. It's the backbone of every successful business.